make some gathering containers to get blood, which will then turn into water. And once you have all of those things, you then head out into the environment. Along the way, you'll probably gather some resources for things that you want to craft in the future. You'll go to enemy points of interest, start clearing those out, killing all of the enemies, collecting the loot, looking for treasure and research points, and then you return to your base once your inventory is full, emptying out your bags, crafting any upgrades, replenishing your resources, and then heading back.
Hey, there's a black male in a hoodie who's about to steal a SRT-8 Charger. Cranberry Road. He's got a rock in his hand, and I just did a delivery, and he just won't stop staring at me, and he's trying to get me to get out of the area. He's got a hood on, boots, looks like it's a dark blue jacket with a hood. I'm having trouble hearing you. Say again? It's just long pants that he's just casing the area around these apartments. 5 North Brunswick. And he kind of retreated back to the parking lot because he knows I'm on to him. Yeah, he had a rock in his hand. He was going to use it to bust out the window of the red SRT-8. If you want, I could stick around and, you know, keep him from breaking the window from across the street. I mean, I could get away before he could do anything, you know? Yeah. Yeah, he's definitely trying to. I think he's gonna try to get away. He went into the parking lot behind the apartment. The opposite. Actually behind the apartment. So yeah, not towards the shopping center, no. It's a it's a silver Scion TC 05. I'll be across the street in the exit of that of the driveway there. It's a gray Scion TC. I'm sorry, what? Micah Alvarez. Yeah, I don't see where he went to. I think he might have taken off. I am gonna try to leave here kind of soon because I'm a delivery driver trying to make money. Right. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, no, he definitely made me, you know, he walked up, he kind of got annoyed that I wouldn't leave. He said something to me. I got him on dash cam. If you guys email me, if you guys text me or something, I could probably get that video to you within half an hour. All right, the police just pulled in. Yep. Yep. All right. Thank you. He made me. Yeah, he made me. He took off, I think. He went back that way, but I think he had a rock in his hand and he was standing next to that SRT-8. No, I don't think so. Yeah, and he was waiting for me to finish doing my delivery. He was standing on the corner on my side, not that side of that intersection right there, and wouldn't stop staring at me. So like I was thinking about calling before even getting out of my car, but I'm kind of a badass and still did it anyways. But it was freaky, man. He walked. I don't know exactly where, because I was parked right behind the SRT-8. If you guys hit me up later, I could get the dash cam footage of you. Yes. Yeah, I'm trying to do deliveries. It's busy right now. Yeah.
Anything further come to this? If you could just email that.
Yeah.
Whenever you have a chance. We'll just keep looking. Appreciate the information you gave us.
Yeah, I think I just saved that car.
Yeah, I think so. So hopefully figure out who it was. Give me 1 second. We'll just let him know.
Sure.
We'll